Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Wiz here. As if you didn't know, I will be doing some Bitcoin giveaway as soon as I reach a whole lot of subs, as in 500 or 1,000 subs. So if you want to participate, you must be one of my referrals, my little, investors. So please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications about more updates. And I'm not a financial advisor, so please only invest what you can afford to lose. Do not take my advice if you don't want to, you feel me? We're going to talk about space mining. It looks to me like space mining has finally scammed. I've been getting a lot of notifications and messages about space mining has really scammed. The only thing it works is deposits. Do not deposit, y'all. If y'all deposit, you're losing your money. I'm telling you right now, the withdrawals don't work. Everything is working, not the withdrawal. So don't put your money in this, okay? Do not put your money into this program. It really scam. If you don't believe me, that's on y'all. It really scammed though. So please be careful. Don't put money into this platform. See? It only lasted 24 days. I mean, it's good. So if you got in early, it's good. But if you got in late, well, you lost your investment. But do not put no more money in this. It already scammed. I do have a program y'all could join. This one right here. This lending platform is about to kick ass. Right now, it's at $14. So if y'all want to go ahead and do y'all thing, go ahead, you feel me? But like I said, it's gonna really kick off next month, because when the Serum Saints comes, you could exchange your coins and do a withdrawal. You feel me? Like, so far everything is looking good. But like I said though about space mining, don't put money in this. It's already scammed. So I will leave a link below to where you can sign up for Chrysos and get your coins and start lending, because the lending platform has really kicked off. But that's all for the update though. So I really hope that you guys listen to this. If you don't believe me, y'all can go on Facebook and type in space mining scam. It's gonna show a whole lot of scam posts, but it already scammed. But that's all for the update though. It's boy Crypto Wiz here. I'll catch y'all next new update. Peace.